We see the cases of other surgeons and learn from their cases and experience and see the diversity of spine problem in different parts of the world.
I think the most important of all is the presence of the tutor every time, Professor Rabi or the other experts, with their questions, their remarks, by sharing the tips from their own experience on the topic.
You get clear your concept and get feedback from the faculty, spine surgeon face to face, and also assess by your tutor during discussion to check your achievement and knowledge.
The discussion is always open, it's in a work climate, and I think it's a very pleasant learning experience.